Hi everyone, this question is very similar to the previous one. We have to use something called a binomial calculator. We don't go in depth into that into this course, we just need to know that a binomial calculation exists. The trick is just knowing where each one of these numbers go. So n equals 6 is the number of trials. All right, this p equals 0.4 is probability of success. And finally, this number right here is what we want to happen exactly. So that's my exact. All right, so let's take a look then at the calculator itself. And we need 4 decimal places. Let's take a look at the calculator. So if I open this up, so let's put in the numbers that we need. All right, so we need 6. The probability of success is 0.4. So remember, I'm getting that from right here. The probability is 0.4. And then the number of trials is 6. And what do I want to check on is x actually equals. Again, look at this number right here, x equals 3. And so I need to do 3. And then I press the calculate button near the bottom. And here's the number that I need. X equals x, which is the 0.2765. All right, let's plug that in and make sure it works. 0.2765. 0. Oh, I forgot the number already. Let's see what we have. 2765. Oh, this error again. I don't know what's going on. All right. 2765. Let me just make sure that's correct. I got distracted by the error message. All right, so let's see if that works. And that does. All right, so that ends this video. Hopefully it's a pretty easy calculation to do. The background behind binomial distributions is a pretty complicated formula, but most people would just use a calculator to figure that out. All right, on to the next question.